Have you ever wondered why bliss seems so elusive yet so essential to our lives? This is a question that many of us ponder as we navigate our daily routines, seeking moments of happiness and peace amidst the chaos. Often we perceive bliss as this grand, intangible concept, something that is hard to grasp and even harder to maintain. But what if we told you that this perception is a mere misconception? Bliss, in its true essence, is not an elusive state that only a chosen few can attain. No, it's not exclusive to those who meditate on mountaintops or who have renounced the material world. Rather, it is a state of mind, a feeling that can be nurtured and cultivated by anyone, at any time, in any place. Why is bliss so important, you ask? Well, imagine a life where every day is filled with moments of joy, where you wake up feeling inspired and go to bed feeling fulfilled. Bliss is the key to unlocking such a life. It is the catalyst that sparks the fire of happiness, productivity, and fulfillment within us. When we are in a state of bliss, we are in harmony with ourselves and the world around us. We are more creative, more productive, and more capable of facing challenges head-on. We are not just surviving, we are thriving. And isn't that what we all aspire to do? To thrive, to live our lives to the fullest, to make the most of every moment? So let's debunk this common misconception that bliss is hard to achieve. It's not. It's simply about shifting our perspective, about choosing to focus on the positive, about learning to find joy in the little things. It's about understanding that bliss is not a destination, but a journey that each one of us is capable of embarking on, a journey that can transform our lives in ways we never thought possible. While bliss may seem like a far-fetched dream, it is, in reality, attainable and can be a part of your everyday life. So, are you ready to set forth on this journey towards bliss? Because it's never too late to start. Often people mistake bliss for a constant state of euphoria, but is that really what it is? Bliss. It's a term that's thrown around a lot, often used interchangeably with euphoria, ecstasy, or an intense high. But let's pause a minute and question this common misconception. Is bliss really about being on cloud nine all the time? The answer, my friends, is a resounding no. Bliss is not about chasing an endless high or living in a perpetual state of euphoria. It's not about grand gestures, extravagant experiences, or the extraordinary moments that take your breath away. Sure, those moments are beautiful, but they are just that, moments. They come, they go, and they're not what bliss is truly about. So if bliss isn't about being euphoric all the time, then what is it? Bliss, in its purest form, is about finding happiness and peace in everyday moments. It's about the simplicity of life, the quiet moments of joy that are often overlooked in our quest for the extraordinary. It's the warmth of a cup of coffee on a cold morning, the sound of laughter shared with loved ones, the feeling of a good book in your hands, or the sight of a beautiful sunset after a long day. It's in these simple, everyday moments that true bliss resides. But why do we often mistake bliss for constant euphoria? Well, it's because we live in a society that often equates happiness with grandeur. We're told that to be truly happy, we need to have extraordinary experiences, achieve great things, and live life on a grand scale. This misconception not only sets unrealistic expectations, but also leads us to overlook the simple joys of life. So let's redefine bliss. Let's shift our focus from the extraordinary to the ordinary, from the grand to the simple, from the loud to the quiet. Because bliss isn't about the extraordinary moments, it's about finding joy in the ordinary. It's about appreciating the beauty and simplicity and finding peace in the everyday. Bliss isn't about the extraordinary moments, but about finding joy in the ordinary. So, how can you cultivate bliss in your everyday life? You might be asking. Well, the answer is simpler than you might think. It's about adopting certain habits and perspectives that can transform your daily experiences into sources of joy and fulfillment. First and foremost, let's talk about mindfulness. It's a word you've probably heard before, but what does it really mean? Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in each moment. It's about focusing on the here and now, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. By being mindful, you can truly appreciate the beauty and joy in every moment, and that is a powerful catalyst for bliss. Next up, we have gratitude. Cultivating a sense of gratitude can dramatically shift your perspective and increase your overall happiness. Start by acknowledging the good in your life. It could be as simple as a sunny day, a delicious meal, or a smile from a stranger. These little moments of joy are all around us, but we often overlook them. By practicing gratitude, you train your mind to seek out and appreciate these moments, thereby increasing your daily dose of bliss. Finding joy in simple things is another powerful strategy. We often chase after big, momentous occasions, but the truth is, life is mostly composed of small, ordinary moments. If you can find joy in these simple things, a good book, a walk in the park, a cup of coffee in the morning, you'll find that bliss becomes a regular part of your day, rather than an occasional visitor. Lastly, maintaining a positive mindset is crucial. Life will always throw challenges our way, and it's easy to get caught up in negativity. But by choosing to focus on the positive, you can navigate these challenges with grace and resilience, and maintain your sense of bliss even in difficult times. Remember, the key to bliss is in your hands. It's about your perspective and your actions. It's not always easy, but with practice and dedication, you can cultivate a life of everyday bliss. So why not start today? Now let's take a look at how a blissful lifestyle can impact your life. Living a blissful life isn't just about constant happiness, but rather, it's about cultivating a sense of contentment, fulfillment, and peace in our everyday lives. This state of bliss has profound effects on various aspects of our lives. Firstly, let's consider mental health. Many of us are no stranger to stress, anxiety, and the occasional bout of sadness. However, studies show that individuals who embody a blissful lifestyle tend to experience less stress and anxiety. They have found their center, their peaceful haven amidst life's turbulence. This emotional stability can significantly improve mental health over time. Moreover, bliss can also lead to increased productivity. When we are content and at peace, our minds are free to focus, to create, and to solve problems. We're not weighed down by negative emotions or worry. This tranquility allows us to be more present, more engaged in our work, and ultimately more productive. But the benefits don't stop there. Embracing a blissful lifestyle can enhance our relationships as well. When we're content within ourselves, we're better equipped to foster healthier and more fulfilling relationships. We become more understanding, more compassionate, and more patient with the people around us. Think of a blissful lifestyle as a ripple effect. When you drop a pebble of bliss into your life, it ripples out, touching every corner of your existence. It's like a warm, glowing light that illuminates the path, not only for you but for those around you as well. Of course, a blissful lifestyle isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It varies from person to person. For some, it might be practicing mindfulness daily. For others, it could be pursuing a passion or spending quality time with loved ones. The key is to find what brings you bliss and make it a part of your everyday life. A blissful lifestyle isn't just about feeling good. It's about living a fulfilled, meaningful life. To wrap up, let's summarize what we've learned about bliss and how to keep life blissful. We started our journey with the pursuit of bliss, a quest that is as old as humanity itself. We discovered that bliss isn't just a transient state of extreme happiness, but rather a profound sense of contentment and fulfillment, a state of being that transcends the temporary highs and lows of everyday emotions. Then we tackled bliss misconception. We learned that bliss isn't about constant joy and happiness. It's about achieving a balance in life, embracing both the highs and lows, the joy and the pain. It's about finding peace amidst the chaos, a sense of calm amidst the storm. Next, we explored strategies for cultivating everyday bliss. We understood the importance of mindfulness, of being fully present in the moment, and how it can help us appreciate the simple pleasures in life. We learned about the power of gratitude, how it can shift our focus from what's missing in our lives to the abundance that's already present. And we discovered the role of self-care, of taking time to nourish our bodies and minds in nurturing our inner bliss. We then dove into the blissful lifestyle, a way centered around the pursuit of bliss. We discovered that a blissful lifestyle isn't just about personal happiness, but also about spreading joy and positivity to those around us. It's about living a life of purpose, of making a positive impact in the world. And finally, we understood the benefits of a blissful lifestyle. Learned that bliss can boost our mental and physical health, improve our relationships, and enhance our overall quality of life. So, there you have it, the pursuit of bliss, the misconceptions, the strategies for cultivating it, and the benefits of a blissful lifestyle. Now it's your turn to implement these strategies and start living a blissful life. Remember, bliss isn't a destination, it's a journey, a way of life. So start your journey today and transform your life into a blissful adventure. To keep your blissful journey going, don't forget to subscribe for more blissful insights.